Say hello, camera.
Hello, camera.
Today we're chilling at the Central Gardens playground located at Merrylands West. There's a bunch of picnic tables and barbecues around for a nice family and friends barbecue. Parking is close by, probably around a 2-minute walk to the actual playground. There are toilets nearby as well, probably about a 4 to 5 minute walk from the playground. It's very clean here and everything is pretty much well maintained. There's also a bunch of bubblers placed around the park. The main kids area is undercover. The playground also has one of these wheelchair swings, which is very thoughtful. There's a big sand pit here. The playground flooring is mainly made of soft rubber, or it's either covered in bark. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.